as they pick up energy, they spin faster, and they go higher.
And now your Storm Center 7 forecast with Chief Meteorologist Austin Chaney.
Yes. You know what? If we can get past the next few days, temperature-wise, but again, some concerns tonight. You were saying there's a lot of rain hitting parts of the Cleveland area, causing some flooding and that stuff. Whether it's going to move our way, you're correct.
That's like the big wrinkle in the forecast. Sure. We know it's going to be hot. Now we got to see if we're going to get clipped by some storms or not. There's a chance, and we'll break it down for you. But out there this evening, holy cow, is it muggy. I mean, thinking back to the last 2 or so years since I've worked here, I can't remember seeing dew point temperatures this high across the board. 79 in Greenville. I mean, you talk about feeling like an absolute swamp outside. That's what you've got right there. That type of air mass spans all the way to Sydney, to Bell Fountain. Even here in Dayton, we're very muggy at 75 degrees. And all that mugginess is leading to a very slow cool tonight. So we're only in the 80s right now. We're probably going to wake up in the mid-70s. Now, take this humidity, combine it with the mid-90s that we're going to have tomorrow, and that is what is going to make tomorrow just be an incredibly uncomfortable day. Now, let's talk about that storm threat. All right, so we're dry across the Miami Valley right now, but you look into the northeastern part of Ohio, and they're getting slammed with strong to severe thunderstorms. We've got flash flooding in the Cleveland metro area. And the trick with these storms is that they're going to follow where the storm fuel is. Well, that's towards the Miami Valley. The question is going to be, how long can those storms sustain themselves? And the models truly have been all over the place. What I think could happen is that our eastern counties could get clipped by those early in the day, then they die out, and we get back to the sunshine in full force into tomorrow afternoon. So here's the timeline, 6:30 in the morning as you're watching meteorologist Brittany Ritz. She may be tracking some of those storms near the Columbus area. There's a chance, not a guarantee, that places like Springfield, down towards Xenia, get clipped with these storms. If we do, they're out of here in short order. We're back to dry conditions into tomorrow afternoon, and then the heat is on. Look at the hour-by-hour forecast. 70s in the morning. I mean, you're going to feel that warmth and that mugginess first thing out the door. Mid-afternoon into the evening hours, 96 degrees. Combine that with the high dew points, and this is what it's going to feel like. 105 here in Dayton, 107 in Greenville, 103 in Sydney. Everybody tomorrow gets those heat index values above 105 degrees. That's why we have the excessive heat warning in effect, and you've got to take that heat seriously. Stay hydrated, take frequent breaks tomorrow. There is relief just over the horizon. We're going to bump it down to 92 on Friday. Not much improvement, but some improvement. Then into the weekend, 85 Saturday, 79 degrees on Sunday. And as we look into the weekend forecast, it's pretty nice. No rain chances, lower humidity by Sunday when we're at 79. Here's that 7-day forecast. So tomorrow, that's the rough day. Just got to get through it. Then Friday, still hot but better. Then again, the weekend's looking nice. Into next week, seasonable temperatures in the 80s, a few showers on Tuesday. Next Wednesday's looking awesome right now at 75 degrees.
Very nice, Austin. Thank you. New developments tonight in the Maui wildfires. Authorities increase the number of people still unaccounted for.